Are you struggling to manage your business finances and feeling like you're constantly falling short? It's not just about the idea, the business plan, or the timing. Because even with all that in place, if you haven't developed the financial traits that successful entrepreneurs rely on, you could be building something that can't last. But the good news? There's still time to shift gears and put the right financial habits in place. Ones that help your business not just survive, but actually thrive. Hi, I'm Lou, your entrepreneurial advisor. If your business is eating up your time and energy, and all you want is space to breathe, travel, or be present with your family, you're not alone. I help entrepreneurs clear the chaos, fix what's slowing them down, and build a business that gives them their life back with structure, clarity, and hands-on support. Let's get you moving forward again with more time for what actually matters. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of the financial habits that drive real success. You'll learn how to think, act, and manage your money like the entrepreneurs who thrive in any economy without burning out, giving up, or falling behind. When I stepped into my second business venture, the real estate market was booming and perfect for buying. I was all in, determined to secure as many residential properties as I could. But moving too fast created a financial strain I wasn't prepared for. Suddenly, I found myself doing mental gymnastics to make it all work. The vision was solid, the opportunity was real, but my financial structure didn't match my ambition. A conversation with my mentor changed everything. That's when I realized success wasn't just about what I could build in the moment. It was all about how well I could manage what I already had. Thankfully, I had just enough room to implement the discipline and precision I needed to turn that venture into something sustainable, and that mindset has shaped every decision since. The entrepreneurs who succeed financially, they don't just hustle harder. They think differently about money. It starts with mindset. They see money as a tool, not a trophy. Every dollar has a purpose. It's to either grow the business, to build stability, or to support the team. That kind of clarity keeps emotional decisions out of the equation and helps them stay focused on the bigger picture. They also know their numbers, not just what's in the bank, but what's coming in and what's going out, and also what those patterns say about the health of their business. In addition, they review cash flow, profit, and expenses regularly. Not quarterly, not when things feel off, but as a standard part of running their business. To this day, I use a cash flow template I built to track all these moving parts. I also walk my community members through it when they're mapping out their annual projections or testing the financial feasibility of new ideas. I'll link that template below so you can grab it and start using it today. They also face risk head on. They don't avoid it, they manage it. They take calculated risks, plan for the downside, and protect their businesses with buffers, backup plans, and diversified income streams. And if you're not sure how to do that yet, don't worry. I created a separate video that walks you through it step by step. I'll drop that link below. And one of the biggest things that sets successful entrepreneurs apart, they seek mentors. They read or listen to audiobooks. They show up for workshops. They ask questions. They stay curious because they know the financial landscape is always shifting and staying informed is how they stay ahead. So, what does all of this mean for you? It means you don't need to master everything overnight. But if you can start building even one or two of these habits into your routine, you'll start to feel the shift and be more confident in your decisions, have more control over your cash flow, and more alignment between your business goals and the way you actually manage your money. And who knows? This clarity might even spill over into your personal finances too, because at the end of the day, growing your business should also mean creating a life that truly feels like yours again.